Hello guys, welcome to programming screencast on Flames. So Flames is nothing but a game that's a very interesting game that most of you would have played in your childhood, I guess. Or if not played, you would have seen someone playing, or you would have seen somewhere the game is being played. Some experience would be there. So we are going to relive those childhood days through this joy. So before starting with the programming part, let me take you back to those memorable days by explaining what this actually game is, what this game Flames is. So we'll start off with it. So in Flames, what are these things? F-L-A-M-E-S. It's not just a single word. All this has some expansion sort of thing. So F stands for friends, L stands for love, A stands for affection, M stands for marriage, E stands for enemy, S stands for siblings. So this is what we abbreviate and call as Flames. So basically in this game, if you could see some two names are given, and mostly it would be the case that one is a boy and one is a girl. That makes sense, right? Basically for Flames, if you see the expansion, you have something like love, marriage, all those are generally between people of different genders, right? So it's generally the case that one of your name is of a male and other one is of a female. So two names are given and you're supposed to predict or sort of just say what could be the relationship that could exist between these two people. For example, Ajay and Priya are the two names we have. What is the relationship between these two is what you're going to predict. So what we generally do is we would strike out the common letters between the two names, and then we'll start counting from here. How many letters are left out? Based on that, we'll start counting and we'll cross out each and every letter, and slowly we'll proceed till we just have one letter left out in this word Flames, and that particular letter is the result, is what is displayed. This is how it goes. Maybe let me go slowly. The first thing is, I said you should cross out the common letters, right? You should cross out the common letters. So as you could see, there are two names. You need to cross out the common letters. We'll first explore this part of crossing out the common letters. See, you take a single name, Ajay. You have two letters here and here. That is common. That is, here is also a letter A and here is also a letter A. You cannot cross out these two. This crossing out is not allowed. What is allowed is you have a A here and you have a A in the other person's name. So you can cross out these two letters and this is allowed. So once you have crossed out, the names now that remain is J and P-R-I-Y. That is the names that remain. So as I said, you can remove A or you cross out A, and what you have as remaining, you compare those two names. See, as I had said, you are comparing these two names, and here also you have a letter in common, Y. So you have to cross out this letter Y. I'm sorry, this has to be Y. So remove Y and now compare these left out strings, JA and PRI. You have to compare it. JA and PRI, if you compare, there is no match, there is nothing common between these two strings. So in this point of time, you count how many letters are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are remaining. So here the answer we get is 5. Now you have the word Flames. You start counting from the left. Count 5 because we got 5 in the previous step. So count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? So E is where we are stopping at. So you have to cross out that E. So E, enemy, is not the relationship. You have to cross it out. And the next round, you should not take it as F-L-A-M-S. Instead, you should start from this point, S, start at S, and then you add out the left hand side part. Whatever is in the right side, you have to take it first. Then you have to add the left side as it is. That is how you have to take it for the next round. So for the next round, now I get S-F-L-A-M. Now I have to repeat it with this. So let me do that. Okay. S-F-L-A-M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am at M. So M is crossed out. So after you cross out M, whatever is in the right, there is nothing in the right, so leave it. And then whatever is in the left, S-F-L-A. This is in the left. So you have to check it with S-F-L-A. Now see, we have 4 letters remaining, but we need to go in counts of 5. So where will we go for the 5th letter? Nothing. Just come back to the first letter and start counting again. This is how you do. This is what we call as modular counting. So that is what we are going to do now. Go in the clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. Okay, so SFLA. So you have to start counting 5 letters from the left and go back in the anti-clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise. SFLA. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again come back here. 5. So you are at S. So you cross out S. So whatever is in the right, FLA. Whatever is in the left, nothing. So you have to now compare FLA. Let us do that. FLA. Same like that, you have to count 5 and you have to go it in the anti-clockwise direction. Please note this, it's anti-clockwise because we are going this way. We are going in this way, so it is anti-clockwise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are at L. So L is not the relationship. So you cross this out. You cross out this L. L is not the relationship. You cross it out. Now what is remaining? In the right side you have A, you write it. Then on the left side you have F, write it. So you are left out with A and F. Now you have to repeat it with this. So let us do that. A and F. We'll count 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at A we are standing, so we have to cross out A, and now we are left with just one letter F, and this is when we have to declare the result is friends. So Ajay and Priya were friends is what we got. This is how we have to play this game. So what is the thing that is slightly challenging here is you have to do the modular counting, and you have to start counting from the part where you left. That is, that time we had stopped at E, so we had to start our string next time with S. So SFLAM we have to take. We could not take FLAMS. So that is where is the tricky part here. So we have to try coding this thing. That is what we are going to do in this exercise. We'll see that in the next video.